Hey guys, welcome back to another session of using technical analysis to look for good money making opportunities. So if you were following our previous analysis, we called for the drop on dollar franc quite nicely. You can see it over here. This was our analysis. We were calling for the drop on dollar franc below 1.0068 all the way to 0.9973, and from there price has dropped exactly to our profit target. Okay, so now we gotta decide what are we going to do. Are we gonna buy? Are we gonna sell? All right, so how we're gonna do it is, firstly, we're gonna do a Fibonacci retracement right from here to the top. You can see that price is reacting off a 50% support, which is good. It's a 50% support. It's nice. Okay, it's one of the key Fibonacci retracement levels. After that, we take a Fibonacci extension. It looks like a 1, probably 2, 3. 2 is probably here, or 2 could be here. I personally think that 2 is somewhere here, but the gist of it is that we're looking at a 1.0 projection. Okay, a 1.0 projection is here, a very key level. That means the movement from here to here, from here to here is the same as the movement from here to here. Okay, when it comes to Fibonacci extensions, the 0.618 is important, 1.0, 1.618, 2.0, and 2.618. The rest are all, bullshit, so we don't need to look at all that stuff. Excuse my French. All right, so yeah, now these are the key ones you're looking at. So we found a 50% retracement. We found a 1.0 projection. It's lining up very nicely there. And then, of course, we can see this horizontal support area, right about here. The horizontal support, price react off it once and more or less bounce off it another time. And so it's bouncing off it one more time. All right, so we're expecting a bounce up from this level. Definitely bouncing upwards. Yeah. Okay, so this will be our buy entry. Yeah, keep it simple. Our buy entry. Our stop loss would likely be on the next Fibonacci retracement level. Probably at the 62%, just about there. This will be our stop loss. And our stop loss, shit. And our take profit. Now, since I'm looking for a bounce up from here, what I like to do is a Fibonacci retracement down. I'll take profit. We can play up to maybe even the 62% level here. This is a nice level, a very nice swing high. This can be our take profit level. Yeah, it can be here, it can be here, but price is pretty close to here now, so I'll probably play up to here, the 62%. And we're gonna see a bounce. We're looking for a bounce above to here. Now, what I really like is when we look at the stochastic indicator. All right, what is immediately apparent to me is that there is a descending lower lows here and higher highs here. So there is bullish divergence. All right, there's bullish divergence saying that we're expecting a bounce up from here. Yeah, so that's how it works. I actually feel that price might just about stop here. So if you want to be safe, you can have your first take profit here and then second take profit here. Okay, the first take profit probably at 1.0012, second take profit at 1.0052. All right, so that's it for me, guys. Trade safely, trade profitably, and do not revenge trade. Yeah, cheers and peace out.